Success represents the 1% of your work which results from the 99% that is called failure. Soichiro Honda. Born to poor blacksmith family in Japan. Failed elementary school exam. Rejected by Toyota as engineer. Lost factory to bombing in World War II. Struggled with post-war poverty. Started as auto repair apprentice at 15. Built first factory with no formal education. Rebuilt business twice after disaster. Fought against established auto industry. Overcame post-war material shortages. Built Honda into global automotive giant. Revolutionized motorcycle industry. First Japanese car maker in Formula One. Created one of world's most valuable brand. Inducted into Automotive Hall of Fame.